As you guys know that roads are one of the important source of transportation, and roads also helps in the growth of a country's economy and tourism. So let's look at the world's top 10 most dangerous roads. Bayburt D195, Turkey. The 66-mile long road consists on 29 hairpin bends with no railings or barriers to prevent cars from plunging off the edge. DangerousRoads.org have recently named it as the most dangerous road in the world. Parts of the road are closed during the winter months due to snow and bad weather conditions. This road will test the skill and courage of all drivers. Kelong Kishtwar Road, India. Located in the Indian state of Himachal Pradesh, the road is a mind-numbing vertical drop of thousands of feet. It is one of the most dangerous roads and a true test of your ability. The wonderful views of the mountains spread out before you are just some of the few scenic views you will encounter. Weather conditions such as wind and rain will make the road muddy and slippery, making it a challenge to get through, even with a four-wheeler. Fairy Meadows Roads, Pakistan. Located in the Gilgit-Baltistan region of Pakistan, this spectacular and dangerous mountain trek consists of a length of 16.2 kilometers. Combined with unstable gravelled roads, high altitude and narrow turns, a drive along with Fairy Meadow means that you are certainly in a ride. Although it is a to destination, the absence of guardrails and barriers means there is nothing preventing a vehicle from falling off the cliff. This road is definitely not made for faint-hearted. Skipper's Canyon Road, New Zealand. Located in the southwest of New Zealand, the road constitutes of 16.5 miles and was hand-carved by miners over 140 years ago. This road is so dangerous that even your car insurance won't be honored if you drive on it. Due to its beautiful views and best and excellent photo opportunities, many backpackers like to have a ride on the road. It's extremely narrow and formed of gravel. From twisty hairpin turns, high elevations, steep grades and winding and narrow roads. North Yungas Road, Bolivia. It is estimated that around 200 to 300 people fall to their deaths in trucks, cars and buses. Cycling around this road is one of the most popular activities for backpackers. It's barely the width of one vehicle and no grills to protect you from the falls of up to 2000 feet. To make it worse, weather conditions such as fog, dust, clouds and rain reduces the visibility to almost zero, along with mudslides and waterfalls. It's also known as the Death Road, labeled as one of the most dangerous roads. Siberian Road to Yakutsk, Russia. This unpaved Russian highway runs straight through Siberia. During the winter, which is almost 10 months long, temperatures gets so low you can't wear your glasses as the metal will freeze to your face. The road crosses mountains, forests, deserts and much more. During summer, the icy road turns to mud, which is when driving conditions becomes worse. In July and August, the road is a mud blanket swallowing vehicles. It is the only available route to arrive to the city of Yakutsk. So motorists have no choice. This road is isolated, so carrying survival supplies is a key. Zojila Pass, India. This pass is a vital link between Ladakh and Kashmir. It is often closed during the winter due to the precarious conditions, closing off Ladakh from the rest of the world. Even when the sun is shining, the drops are steep. The roads are narrow and there's no barriers. It is littered with overturned buses, crashed cars and livestock. This high altitude pass will make you experience it all, with heavy rainfalls and high winds. Atlantic Road, Norway. Named the best drive in the world by the Guardian in 2006 with one of the most scenic drives in the world. Driving along this road is like teetering onto the edge of the sea. The brutal waves of the Norwegian Sea often crash over a road during stormy weather conditions to make sure you are prepared for it. This one is definitely a roller coaster and a hell of a ride. Sichuan Tibet Highway, China. This road begins in Chengdu of Sichuan on the east and ends at Lhasa in Tibet on the west. The trip may take around 15 days, so make sure you are not in a hurry. Motorists braving this death trap will be rewarded with views of the region's majestic peaks and picturesque landscapes. The Sichuan Tibet Highway has claimed thousands of lives over the years, and a single mistake could result in death. Stelvio Pass, Italy. Stelvio Pass in Italy descends in a zigzag layout across many miles. This road is one of the highest passes to drive along in European Alps, voted the best driving road in 2008 by Top Gear, and with an incredible 48 hairpin turns. The road may not be the most dangerous, but it certainly is the most winding. Concentration is key to make sure you are not distracted by the glorious alpine views.